Tanawa ra guys paduano guys oh. Paduano ba? Grabe unsa tanaw ni unsa siya kaabusado oh. Wala man lang niya gipa-explain si Mayor Tumang para makuha nila ilang point ba. Gidiretso lag cite in contempt ang tawo, tay luuya kaayo. Patanawan niyo guys, paminawan niyo guys unsa ang gibuhat ni Paduano, Mayor Tumang. Play video.
Mr. Chairman,
Hindi ko lang po na...
with that, Mr. Chairman, I have warned you, pasensyahan po tayo. I move to cite in contempt, Mayor Tumang.
Your Honor, can I explain po para makuha niyo po yung point ko?
Sandali po.
Please po, Your Honor.
Sandali po. You're not yet recognized.
Grabe.
Mr. Chairman, once again, I move to cite in contempt Mayor Tumang in violation of our Section 11, Paragraph B. Refusal and evading to answer questions of the members of this committee. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Abusado gyud kayo.
Your Honor, can you please give me a chance to explain?